Definitely, and I strongly recommend maybe tidying up a little bit outside today in the warm air because we're going to have some really strong winds over the next couple of days. Low 30s over most of the metro right now, low to mid 30s across all of eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. Clouds early this morning and again late this afternoon. A little more sun around midday, and that'll push highs into the low and mid 50s with west to southwest winds. Better chance of upper 50s, maybe even an isolated 60-degree reading west of Lincoln, even western Iowa getting into the low 50s today. So there are the clouds this morning. This is the warm front pushing through. There's the sun we're going to see around the middle of the day, and there is the big area of low pressure over the northern Rockies, complete with some very strong winds. A high wind watch is in effect for Stanton, Madison, Platte, Polk, and York counties. Up to 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts Thursday and Friday. Isolated wind gusts could be even higher than that. So the big takeaway, little snow, a lot of wind over the next couple of days. Rain and snow showers Thursday morning, light snow showers Thursday afternoon through the night, but light snow is likely most of Friday. And with wind gusts near or over 50 miles an hour, visibility in rural areas could significantly be impacted, especially north and east of Omaha on Friday. So if you are driving I-29 north or I-80 east on Friday, I would strongly advise against that. Only an inch or two of snow for a lot of us, maybe some isolated higher totals around Carroll or Des Moines, but the combination of any snow and those strong winds could make interstate driving really rough north and east of Omaha on Friday. Impact weather tomorrow from the wind, and then from the wind and snow on Friday. Low 30s for highs Friday and Saturday, back to near 40s Sunday and Monday, and maybe a couple of spotty rain or snow showers on MLK Day.